Are you worried about the health of your iPhone's battery? It's a common concern among iPhone users. But fear not, there are simple practices that you can follow to ensure that your iPhone battery stays at optimum capacity for a longer time. In this video, we'll go through 5 tips that have helped many iPhone users maintain their battery health at 100% for over a year. Tip number 1 is to use certified Apple chargers. While third-party chargers may be cheaper, it's advisable to use Apple-certified chargers for the sake of your battery health. Also, minimize the use of fast chargers as they make the phone feel hot during charging, which can affect your battery health. Tip number 2 is to use a MagSafe wireless charger for overnight charging. If you can't quit the habit of overnight charging, a certified Apple MagSafe wireless charger can help. Wireless chargers are slower than wired chargers but charge at a lower temperature, which is better for your battery health. Tip number 3 is to keep your battery level between 20 and 80%. Draining your battery completely to zero uses up one of your charging cycles, and the more this happens, the faster your battery health goes down. So, always keep your battery between 20 and 80%. Tip number 4 is to avoid exposing your phone to heat. The chemicals used in lithium batteries react to changes in temperature, and exposing your phone to heat can affect the battery health. Keep your phone within cool temperature environments to avoid degrading the battery. Finally, tip number 5 is to activate optimized battery charging. This feature is available on iOS 13 or later, and it monitors your usage and charging routine to manage the way your battery is charged, helping to keep your iPhone battery health at maximum. This feature helps your phone stay at a lower temperature while charging, which is better for your battery health. To activate optimized battery charging, tap on Settings on your iPhone, scroll down to Battery, tap on Battery Health, and tap on Optimized Battery Charging to activate it. Follow these 5 simple tips to help keep the battery health of your iPhone at 100% for a longer time. Thanks for watching this video on how to maintain the health of your iPhone's battery. We hope these tips have been helpful to you.